Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to log in into your Walmart account. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Stay with me, let's get started. But before that, be sure you've installed the app on your phone and you have already created an account. If you haven't, you can go through our other tutorials. Now let's get started. Open the app on your phone. On this page, you'll have to tap on the sign in option at the top left corner of the screen. Now simply enter the email address that you used to create the Walmart account. I'll type that real quick. After you're done, tap on the continue option. Then on this page, you'll have to enter your password. So do that. And then after you're done, you'll simply have to tap on the sign in option and wait for it to load. My password was incorrect. I'll type that again. And then press on the sign in option. As you can see, I've been logged into my account. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you.